New Year's resolutions. Let's talk about it. So, Ryan, it's that time of the year again. Ready to set some ambitious New Year's flags? Or are you still recovering from last year's flags? Recovering might be the right word. Last year was an adventure, literally. Remember my flag about trying paragliding? Oh, absolutely. You were so nervous about it. How did it go? Did you scream the entire time? Or just during takeoff? Heh, very funny. Actually, it was incredible. At first, I was sure I'd back out, but once I was in the air, it felt like I was flying. Pure freedom. It made me realize I can be braver than I think. That's amazing. I'm seriously impressed. I don't know if I could ever do that. Just looking at those videos makes my stomach churn. You'd be surprised. Honestly, I used to feel the same way. Always envying people who seem so fearless. But I told myself, why can't I be one of them? So I took that step, and it was worth every second. That's such a great mindset. Maybe I'll put that on my list someday. So, what else was on your flag list last year? Or was paragliding the main event? Well, that was the big one. But what about you? Did you make it to Paris like you planned? No, unfortunately. I wanted to go after hearing about the Notre Dame fire. I thought it would be meaningful to witness such a historic place. But you know, money doesn't grow on trees. That's a shame. But hey, Paris isn't going anywhere. You'll get there eventually. And who knows, maybe I'll tag along as your translator. Deal. I did spend a lot of time learning about Notre Dame, though. Watched documentaries, read up on its history. It's not the same as being there, but it was still fascinating. See? That's productive. You found a way to keep the spirit of the flag alive. It's better than just giving up on it entirely. True. And speaking of keeping things alive, how's your medal from the marathon holding up? You must have polished it 100 times by now. It's safely on display. That was another proud moment for me. Honestly, it still feels surreal that I completed it. You should be proud. Training for a marathon isn't easy, especially when you're proving a point to someone. Has your colleague stopped teasing you? Oh, completely. He even asked me for tips on running, believe it or not. Look at you, inspiring others. So, what about this year? Any new flags in the making? I haven't decided yet. After last year, I want to set something meaningful, but also a little challenging. What about you? Same here. I don't want to just recycle old ideas or set random goals. Let's take some time to think about it and come up with something worthwhile. Agreed. Maybe we can brainstorm together and keep each other on track. Definitely. Here's to a year of well-planned, achievable flags. And maybe a few surprises along the way. Okay, that's all for today's practicing. Hope you enjoy it. Bye for now.